Copious refers to a large quantity of something, often more than what's necessary. Think of it like having so much that it feels overwhelming. But it's not just about having a lot. Copious often implies having more than enough. Whether you're taking notes in a class or having food at a party, if it's in large quantities, if it's in large amount, you can call it copious. I repeat, it doesn't mean just a lot. It means having more than enough. Let's watch a video to understand the word in its context.
Not quite accurate. The Macy's balloons are filled with helium, whereas Leonard produces copious amounts of methane.
Leonard produces copious amounts of methane. Leonard produces excess of methane, huge amounts of methane. Hopefully, you're getting the meaning here. Now, let's shift on to the grammar side of things. Copious is an adjective. It does not have a common verb form, but if you're looking for a noun, that would be copiousness. And if you want to describe how something is done, you'd use the adverb copiously. Let's have some more examples to understand these different forms. The researcher collected copious amounts of evidence to support the hypothesis. The researcher didn't just collect few pieces of evidence, he gathered a massive amount, likely more than enough to back up his claims. It suggests thoroughness, but also that the data might be a bit overwhelming to sift through. During the banquet, guests were served copious amounts of food. The critic copiously praised the novel's intricate plot. Plants in the tropical rainforest grow copiously due to favorable climate. Notice copiously is the adverb. Next, we have copiousness, the noun. In autumn, the copiousness of fallen leaves creates a vibrant tapestry on the forest floor. Here, copiousness describes the sheer volume of leaves covering the ground in the fall. The library was known for the copiousness of its historical collection. To summarize, copious refers to an abundant or excessive amount of something, and it's a word that's especially useful in academic and descriptive contexts, whether it's copious notes, copious foods, or even copious praise. It implies an overwhelming amount, in fact, more than what you need.
Vocabulary flex, Mr. Rishav in the mix. Wordsmith wizard got the class getting fixed. Dropping gems daily, filling notebooks thick. Classroom lit, knowledge sticking like bricks. Mr. Rishav.